Hello viewers, welcome to our channel JD Pharmacoveda. In this video, let's start from question number 131. Question number 131. Dash cultures are initiated from an explant of seedling or other plant tissue sources. Option A, shoot tip. Option B, subculture. Option C, callus. Option D, suspension. So the correct option is callus cultures. Then question number 132. At present, Chrysanthemum roseum cultivation is carried out mainly in option A, Japan, option B, Brazil, option C, Kenya, and option D, Yugoslavia. The correct option is option C, Kenya. Then question number 133. The seedlings and young plants of Mentha piperita treated with naphthalene acetic acid gave an increased yield of oil up to which percentage? So the options are option A 20 to 40%, option B 30 to 50%, option C 10 to 20%, and option D 20 to 30%. The correct option is option B 30 to 50%. Then question number 134. When a desired rate of growth is maintained by adjusting the levels of nutrients by inflow of fresh medium, it is known as option A, chemostat, option B, turbidostat, option C, nutristat, and option D, hydrostat. So the correct option is option A, chemostat. Then question number 135. Single cells can also be obtained from fresh plant organ. So from which organ? Option A, root, option B, leaf, option C, stem, option D, seed. So the correct option is option B, leaf. So question number 136. In surface sterilization of explant, the tissue is washed with sterile water to remove option A, calcium hypochlorite, option B, sodium hypochlorite, option C, hydrogen peroxide, and option D, silver nitrate. So the correct option is option B, sodium hypochlorite. Then question number 137. Which is the 10 carbon units containing isoprenoid compound? The options are the option A, farnesyl pyrophosphate, option B, geranyl pyrophosphate, option C, isopentenyl pyrophosphate, and option D, mevalonic acid. So the correct option, so which contains 10 carbon units, are geranyl pyrophosphate, option B. Then question number 138. Flavonoids are synthesized from which metabolic pathway? Option A, TCA cycle, option B, mevalonic acid pathway, option C, shikimic acid pathway, and option D, glycolysis. The correct option is option C, shikimic acid pathway. Then question number 139. Which enzyme is involved in the conversion of glutamic acid to alpha ketoglutarate? Option A, dehydrogenase, option B, aminotransferase, option C, decarboxylase, and option D, carboxyl transferase. The correct option is option B, aminotransferase. Then question number 140. The leaves of Digitalis lanata have dash times greater activity than Digitalis purpurea. The options are option A 3 to 5, option B 3 to 6, and option C 3 to 4, option D 3 to 7. The correct option is option C 3 to 4. So Digitalis lanata has 3 to 4 times greater activity than Digitalis purpurea. So thank you for watching. If you like our video, please like, enter your thoughts in our comment section, and definitely share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.